And see, this is the dust control on the side walls,
Just spray only.
and we have just sprayed on this. And what you see here as a loose sand, it's actually not loose. I'm touching, you see, it is not loose, it is actually solid. It is absolutely solid. And I think even the vegetation is growing, because vegetation is, you know, but you see here the water, how the water flows, it comes out here. You see here, reason, because this becomes completely dust free. This becomes completely dust free.
Yeah, if you notice, there's no dust here.
And yeah, you see here, it looks like a you know, loose sand or you know, stones, but it's not actually.
Here,
It's not. You see?
So they're here.
Yes, see.
Yeah, look.
You see.
Yeah.
See here. There's nothing called, you know.
Nothing comes out.
Nothing comes out.